All right, folks, we're road tripping a little bit today. We're going to check out one of the better Red Angus farms I would consider in our area, Brooklyn, Iowa. Stay tuned here. I'm going to go check it out. All right, folks, just pulling in CB2 Cattle Company here, Red Angus cattle. We're going to check it out. Well, Camille, who we're going to talk to here in a second, won't say this, but fuck, this is an impressive setup. It is fucking nice out here. All right, so we got these bales wrapped. Camille, we're here with CEO, CB2 Farms. So what are we doing and why are we doing it?
Oh, I guess this hay probably ain't gonna be fed for, probably a whole year. We got an abundance of hay, so we're just wrapping it, trying to keep the rain off of it, keep it, about as fresh as the day we baled it. So, I mean, this wrap, it's a pretty cheap way to keep your hay fresh. So, I mean, works out good for us, and a little bit cheaper than having a hay shed and anything else. So, I mean, that's just kind of the advantages to it.